We humans, we're drawn to adventure. It's in our DNA. From the earliest explorers who set sail across uncharted waters to modern-day thrill-seekers scaling towering peaks, the call of the unknown is irresistible. Exploring the unknown, pushing our limits, experiencing the raw power of nature. It's exhilarating. The rush of adrenaline, the sense of accomplishment, the sheer joy of being alive. These are the moments we live for. But with this thrill comes risk. Every adventure carries its own set of dangers, whether it's a slippery rock on a hiking trail or the unpredictable currents of a river. That's the deal with adventure. It demands respect. Adventure tourism is booming. More people are seeking out unique adrenaline-pumping experiences, from bungee jumping off bridges to paragliding over scenic landscapes. More people are seeking out unique adrenaline-pumping experiences, the thrill of skydiving, the challenge of surfing, the excitement of exploring new terrains. These activities are becoming increasingly popular, but this growth must be matched with a commitment to safety. As the number of adventure enthusiasts rises, so does the need for stringent safety measures. That's where ISO 21101 comes in. This international standard provides a framework for adventure tourism operators to manage risks and keep their clients safe. This international standard provides a framework for adventure tourism operators to manage risks and keep their clients safe. It ensures that every precaution is taken, every piece of equipment is checked, and every guide is trained to handle emergencies. We wouldn't climb Everest without ropes and proper gear, right? The same principle applies to all adventure activities. The same goes for running an adventure tourism business. Proper planning, thorough training, and the right equipment are essential. ISO 21101 is your essential safety kit. It's the blueprint for ensuring that every adventure is as safe as it is thrilling. This isn't just about ticking boxes, it's about protecting lives. It's about making sure that every adventurer returns home safely, with stories to tell and memories to cherish. It's about ensuring that everyone who heads out on an adventure returns home with incredible memories, not regrets. Because at the end of the day, the best adventures are the ones we can look back on with a smile. So what exactly is ISO 21101? This international standard is designed to ensure that adventure tourism activities are conducted safely and responsibly. It provides a framework for adventure tourism operators to follow, ensuring that they meet high safety standards and protect their clients. It's like a comprehensive guidebook for adventure tourism safety. Think of it as your ultimate safety manual, covering every aspect of adventure tourism from planning to execution. It helps operators identify potential risks and take proactive measures to mitigate them. It lays out best practices and requirements for managing risks in activities like whitewater rafting, rock climbing, bungee jumping, zip lining, mountain biking, and wildlife expeditions. Each of these activities comes with its own set of challenges and risks, and ISO 21101 provides detailed guidelines on how to handle them safely. This standard is all about creating a culture of safety within adventure tourism businesses. It emphasizes the importance of training and educating staff so they are well prepared to handle any situation that may arise. By fostering a safety-first mindset, businesses can ensure that their clients have a secure and enjoyable experience. It's about going beyond the bare minimum and striving for excellence. Adventure tourism operators are encouraged to continuously improve their safety practices, ensuring that they are always up to date with the latest industry standards and best practices. ISO 21101 focuses on three core areas: risk management, emergency preparedness, and continuous improvement. These pillars form the foundation of a robust safety management system, ensuring that all aspects of safety are covered. Risk management involves identifying potential hazards and implementing controls to minimize risks. This includes regular inspections of equipment, thorough risk assessments, and the development of safety protocols to address any identified risks. Emergency preparedness means having robust plans and procedures in place to respond effectively to emergencies. This includes training staff in first aid, conducting regular emergency drills, and ensuring that all necessary emergency equipment is readily available and in good working condition. Continuous improvement is about regularly reviewing and improving safety systems to ensure they remain effective. This involves staying informed about new safety developments, seeking feedback from clients and staff, and making necessary adjustments to safety protocols and procedures. By adhering to these principles, adventure tourism operators can create a safer and more enjoyable experience for everyone involved. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or a family looking for a fun day out, knowing that your safety is a top priority allows you to fully enjoy the adventure without worry. Out in the wild, things can change in an instant. A sudden storm, a flash flood, a piece of faulty equipment, you need to be prepared for anything. Risk management is about anticipating the unexpected. It's not about eliminating risk altogether. That's impossible in adventure tourism. It's about understanding the risks, controlling what you can, and having plans in place for when things go wrong. Think of it like navigating a treacherous jungle. You wouldn't just blindly hack your way through. You'd study the terrain, identify potential dangers, pack the right gear, and have an escape route in mind. That's what risk management is all about. Being prepared, being adaptable, and always having a plan B. Section 4. Emergency preparedness ready for anything. In the wilderness, emergencies can happen. It's not a matter of if, but when. That's why being prepared is crucial. ISO 21101 emphasizes the importance of having solid emergency plans and procedures. This means training staff in first aid and emergency response, having proper communication systems in place, and knowing how to evacuate injured participants safely and efficiently. Imagine you're whitewater rafting and someone falls overboard. You need to know exactly what to do, who's doing what, and how to communicate effectively in a high-pressure situation. By practicing these scenarios and having a clear plan, you can respond quickly and effectively, minimizing the impact of any incident. Section 5. Continuous improvement, always evolving. The world of adventure tourism is constantly evolving. New activities are emerging, equipment is improving, and our understanding of risks is growing. That's why ISO 21101 emphasizes the importance of continuous improvement. It's not a one-and-done deal. It's about regularly reviewing your safety systems, learning from incidents, and adapting to new challenges. This could involve analyzing near misses, gathering feedback from participants and staff, and staying up to date with the latest safety regulations and best practices. Just like a climber adapts their technique to different rock faces, adventure tourism operators need to be flexible and always strive to enhance their safety procedures. Section 6. Benefits of ISO 21101, Confidence and Compliance. Implementing ISO 21101 isn't just about ticking boxes, it's about creating a culture of safety that benefits everyone. For adventure tourism operators, it brings enhanced safety, reduces the likelihood of incidents and injuries. Legal compliance demonstrates compliance with international safety standards. Improved reputation builds trust and credibility with customers and partners. Competitive advantage differentiates businesses as safety-conscious providers. Reduced insurance costs. Some insurers offer lower premiums to certified operators. For participants, it provides peace of mind, knowing they're choosing an operator who prioritizes their safety. It's a win-win situation. By investing in safety, adventure tourism operators can protect their business, their staff, and, most importantly, their clients. Section 7. Implementing ISO 21101, a step-by-step guide. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to ensure a smooth and effective implementation of the ISO 21101 standard, which is crucial for adventure tourism safety management. Implementing a new system can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to. With the right approach and a clear plan, you can make the process manageable and even rewarding. Let's break it down into simple, actionable steps. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. 1. Get informed. The first step is to thoroughly understand what ISO 21101 entails. This means reading the standard, attending relevant workshops, and consulting with experts if necessary. Familiarize yourself with the ISO 21101 standard and its requirements. 2. Gap analysis. Conduct a detailed gap analysis to identify where your current safety practices fall short of the standard's requirements. Assess your current safety practices against the standards requirements. This will help you understand the areas that need improvement and prioritize them accordingly. 3. Develop a plan. Create an implementation plan with clear objectives and timelines. Your plan should outline the steps needed to close the gaps identified in your analysis, assign responsibilities, and set realistic deadlines. 4. Train your team. Provide comprehensive training to all staff on the new procedures. Training is crucial to ensure everyone understands their roles and responsibilities in maintaining safety standards. 5. Document everything. Implement a robust documentation system for all safety processes. Proper documentation is essential for tracking progress, ensuring compliance, and facilitating audits. 6. Get certified. Engage a certification body to audit your systems and award certification. This step validates your efforts and demonstrates your commitment to safety, to clients and stakeholders. Remember, implementing ISO 21101 is a journey, not a race. It's about making continuous improvements and building a strong safety culture within your organization. Each step you take brings you closer to a safer and more reliable operation. It's about making continuous improvements and building a strong safety culture within your organization. Celebrate your milestones, learn from your challenges, and keep striving for excellence in safety management.